Navigating through waterlogged streets, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the English language by exploring what we mean when we talk about waterlogged streets. This phrase is not only vivid in its imagery but also crucial in understanding daily conversations, especially in contexts involving weather and urban challenges. So, let's get started and unlock the meaning and usage of this descriptive phrase. The term waterlogged combines two words, water and logged. Water is straightforward, referring to the clear, colorless, and essential liquid that rains down from the sky or fills our rivers and oceans. Logged, on the other hand, might be a bit more complex. It originates from logging or recording, but in this context, it means filled or saturated. So, when streets are waterlogged, they're soaked or flooded with water, making them difficult to navigate. Waterlogged streets often result from heavy rainfalls or poor drainage systems. In many urban areas, especially where infrastructure is lacking or overwhelmed by extreme weather, streets can quickly become flooded. The consequences are significant, affecting daily commutes, causing traffic jams, and sometimes leading to more serious hazards like accidents or property damage. Understanding this phrase is particularly useful when reading news articles about storms or urban planning, or even when listening to weather forecasts. It helps English language learners to picture the situation vividly and comprehend the severity of weather conditions or the challenges a community might be facing. To help you incorporate this phrase into your vocabulary, let's look at some examples. After the storm, the waterlogged streets made it impossible for residents to reach their homes. City officials are discussing long-term solutions to prevent the streets from becoming waterlogged during the rainy season. These sentences not only help in understanding the term's meaning but also its application in real-world situations. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this exploration of waterlogged streets has been enlightening and adds value to your English language learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new ways to express yourself and understand the world around you. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.